How to change the language on your phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Biben, and today I'll guide you know how you can change the language on your phone. Now if you wish to change the language on your phone, then it's quite simple and easy. I'll be showing you here on for your Android device. Now first things first, what you want to do is you can head into your settings. You can simply go ahead and open the list of apps and tap on the settings icon from there and head into settings. Once in settings, you want to scroll down below until you find the option here that says General Management. Under General Management lies language and keyboard and date and time. So you want to head into the option that says General Management. Once you tap on General Management, you'll be able to see the first option that says Language. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see my language is in English, the UK one. So you want to tap on Add Language option, and then you can simply go ahead and tap on the particular language that you wish to go ahead download, and then you can simply tap on Set as Default option and your language will be changed. So this way you can change the language on your phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.